Invaded. The sentence talks about what the Roman army did in 43 AD. The word invaded means entered a country by force with an army, which is exactly what the Roman army did to Britain. Only an army can invade, not join or shift. Shifted. The phrase, "the traditional communal form of life shifted," means the way people lived changed from one type, communal, to another, more individual. Tip: shifted equals changed. It fits well with lifestyle or system changes. Became. The sentence ends with, Britain became fully a part of the Roman Empire. This means it changed into a new status, from not being part of the empire to becoming part of it. Tip: became is the past tense of become and shows transformation. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. If not, feel free to share your views in the comments.